This says x raised to the power 6 is equal to 9 raised to the power 6. We are required to solve for the values for x. Okay, before you go ahead and say that x is 9, okay, which is totally permissible, the maximum number for the power here is 6, meaning that we should have 6 answers and not one answer alone. That's a disclaimer. Now, firstly, we can write this as x raised to the power 6 minus 9 raised to the power 6, okay? A lot of people got at me for writing x like this, okay? So I'll just write x the normal way. Minus 9 raised to the power 6 is equal to 0, alright? Now, moving on from here, we can say that we have x raised to the power 3 all raised to the power of 2 minus 9 raised to the power 3 all raised to the power of 2 is equal to 0. Now this, when you multiply this, you have 6. When you multiply this, you have 6. Alright? From here, you can now say that this is difference of two squares. So we have that this will become x raised to the power 3 minus 9 raised to the power 3 multiplied by x raised to the power 3 plus 9 raised to the power 3 is equal to 0. Alright? Now this hasn't changed anything at all here. From moving on from here, we can now say that this will become what? This becomes x raised to the power 3 minus 9 raised to the power 3 follow the law of difference of two cubes, and x raised to the power 3 plus 9 raised to the power 3 follow the law of sum of two cubes. Okay, now let's take the laws of difference of two cubes and sum of two cubes. So for here, we'll have a raised to the power 3 minus b raised to the power 3 to be equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. Alright, now looking at this thing, when the product of two things is equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. Okay, so it's either this is equal to 0, so it means that x raised to the power 3 minus 9 raised to the power 3 is equal to 0. From this law, we are going to have that this becomes equal to x minus 9, alright, multiplied by x squared plus, okay, 9 times x, so you have 9x plus 9 squared is 81 being equal to 0. Okay, now also when you have this, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So it's either x is equal to 9 or x squared plus 9x plus 81 is equal to 0. From here, we can use the quadratic formula, and I'll state this once. So we have that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Right? Moving on from here, we're going to have, so continuing from here, we're going to have that our x will now be equal to minus b is minus 9 plus or minus square root of b squared is 9 squared, which is 81, minus 4 times 1 times 81 all over 2a is 2 times 1, which is 2. And this is equal to minus 9 plus or minus square root of, factoring out, we have 81 into 1 minus 4 all over 2. Okay, and this becomes equal to minus 9 plus or minus square root of 81 times square root of 1 minus 4 is negative 3 all over 2. Alright, and this becomes equal to minus 9 plus or minus square root of 81 is 9, okay, times root of negative 3 is something as I times root of 3. So we have what? Root of 3i all over 2. Alright, and this becomes equal to minus 9 plus or minus 9 root 3i all over 2. Okay, so these are the second set of answers for x for this question. Recall that we said that is either x raised to the power 3 minus 9 raised to the power 3 is equal to 0. Now we have the second condition that says x raised to the power 3 plus 9 raised to the power 3 is equal to 0. So let's apply that quickly. X raised to the power 3 plus 9 raised to the power 3 is equal to 0. Now, the same thing here, we're going to use the sum of two cubes, okay, which states that what? A cubed minus b cubed is equal to, a cubed plus b cubed rather is equal to a plus b into a squared minus ab plus b squared. Okay, moving on from here, we're going to have that this becomes equal to a plus b is x plus 9 multiplied by x squared minus 9x plus 81. Okay, and this is equal to 0, don't forget. When the product of two things is equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So it's either x plus 9 is equal to 0, implying that x is equal to negative 9, or x squared minus 9x plus 81 is equal to 0. From here, we're using the quadratic formula again to solve this. So we have x to be equal to, now minus b is now 9 instead of minus 9, plus or minus square root of, remember what we had here is 9 squared, which is 281, minus 4 times this, which would give us the same thing we had before. So we'd have root of negative 3 times 9 all over 2. And this is equal to 9 plus or minus 9 times root 3i, okay, all over 2. Okay, so these are the second set of answers for x in this question. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.